autocrats everywhere use whatever at their disposal to suppress dissent and to hunt down the dissenters. That is what we witness in India today under the scare created by COVID-19. The central government is unleashing its forces to arrest the student leaders who have strongly opposed and led the campaign against the Citizenship Amendment Act and NRC and such other mechanisms to be used to divide Indian citizens into first class, second class, and third class citizens. But using this coronavirus as a camouflage, the governments in Uttar Pradesh, in Karnataka, and in Delhi are using the police to terrorize the student leaders, to create fear among the student community. And it should be a historically important duty on the part of Indian citizens to fight this kind of misuse of the laws to suppress dissent. Because as everybody knows, dissent is the spirit of democracy. If there is no dissent, if there is no opposition, if there is no different voice, democracy will shrink itself into a useless system. So my request to all the people, the student leaders, the leaders of the different campuses in Jamia, in Aligarh, in JNU, and such other campuses, to come together, join your hands together, stand up and say no to this kind of autocracy. And we know that Indian Republic is more resilient and more powerful, and it will survive this bad phase of autocratic regime.